All right, we're live. All right, so let me know when you guys are in the quiz already.
I'm on question 3.
Okay. Yeah, question 3 is 2.0, right?
I think so.
Yeah,
It's
so
great.
it is. Yeah, that's right. So the slope is the one right next to x, and the y-intercept is first.
Yeah, so slope is 1.5.
Yep.
And so this one is y is 1, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I missed the negative at first, and then I was like, wait, is that a negative? So yeah, it's 1. All right, so for question 6, I put it in.
So you said 5 was 1?
Yeah, because a quarter of 16, like you substitute 16 for x,
Mm-hmm.
is
Yeah.
4 minus 3 is 1.
Yep.
And then we got to paste that data into this other thing.
So linear regression, right?
Yep.
So what? So the hot dog
Yeah, it's hot dog shape.
kind of looks like. Oh no, this is inappropriate data.
No, it is appropriate because it's
No, I mean
line-ish.
the shape of it.
Yeah, so hot dog is you're able to use linear regression. Hamburger or banana, you can't.
Uh,
So 7 is A.
How many observations are in the data?
That's what I'm looking for right now. I don't remember how to find that.
isn't it just the count? Isn't it 139?
Yeah, probably.
Where does it say that at?
That's
You
just
just you just
well,
highlight the data on the very bottom of Excel. It shows you the count.
Yeah.
y-intercept.
It was 1.296.
Yep.
Is that the y-intercept on B?
Mm-hmm.
1.296. Yeah.
So it was 0.042.
Yep.
Yeah.
My only question is, were we supposed to change anything where x, like where x is 6? we supposed to change that at all?
No, because now you can just change it to 4, and it'll give you the answer.
Oh, it doesn't change anything up above it.
Oh, okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Oh, that's for 11. Yeah, then we change it to 4. Okay, gotcha.
And then it'll give you the answer. Or if you did it by hand, it'd be the same.
So which one would be the predicted value, the first or second one?
It says it actually right next to it. The predicted is 1.462.
But how come when you add it up, you get 1.464? Like if I took the slope 0.042 and I times it by 4, I get 0.168. And then I add the y-intercept, right?
Mm-hmm.
1.296. I get 1.464.
That's weird. Yeah, I mean, I think it did the same thing in the book. It says that it's less accurate when you do it that way. For whatever reason, this looks at like more data points or something like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it said just use this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it said you should use the software. So
Cool.
the predicted value of y is 1.462.
So it's 6?
As soon as you go on the internet, log me out. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sorry, my internet cut out there for a second. So 11's 1.462, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Are
what
you
we
guys on
got.
12?
Yeah, we're trying to figure out 12.
That's weird to me. It says because there's a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predicted value of y.
Is that just in this thing, though, where it says prediction interval for y, and the largest is 2.828?
No, this is a whole new problem, right?
Hold on, let me see. This is for the
It's next in 1. Oh, never mind. This isn't the problem.
Yeah, I think it'd have to be, right? Because it doesn't give us any more data.
Yeah, so I think it's 2.828.
Wait, why do you think that?
Because when you look in like the confidence and prediction intervals for regression response, over to the right it says prediction interval for y.
Yeah. But we would add, our new y would be 6, right? So wouldn't it be 2.907, or do we not change that?
I was just going off of what was the last variable that we did, where we had it
You're
at
right.
4.
Yeah, I think you're right. I don't think that it really, you're not supposed to change it.
Okay, so we have the independent variable, which is x, and the dependent variable, which is y. Sometimes the independent variable can also be called the explanatory variable. So for an explanatory variable, we would just have one, I'm thinking.
Yeah, 1.
So you're thinking 1.
Yep.
Because multivariate linear regression is when there's multiple, right?
Yeah, so I'm thinking in simple linear regression, we just have one as well.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Just X and Y, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm just looking. Oh yeah, so then we introduce multiple regression. So when we want to refer to simple linear regression, there are a variety of names that could be used. Simple linear regression, ordinary least squares regression, linear regression, or simple ordinary linear least squares regression. If we need to distinguish between simple linear regression and multiple regression, the key will be whether we use the word multiple. Yeah, so in simple linear regression, there's just going to be one dependent variable as well, is what I think.
Hmm.
All right.
Should we go for it?
I think so.
Okay, I'll submit it.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
we didn't do good at all.
no way. What did we get wrong?
9, 10, 11, and 12.
What's 9?
It says it's 18.690.
What?
How? Let me change this back to 6.
18.690?
Yeah,
That can't be right.
no.
My guess is this thing is wrong.
Wait, so we got 1.462, right?
For question 9 was 1.296,
Yeah,
What else did we
Yeah.
get wrong?
and then .042 was 10,
yeah.
and then 11, we changed it to 4, and the predicted was 1.462.
Wait, what did it say 11 was?
It's saying it's 69.469.
No. Oh,
69?
Yeah, I don't know what the heck.
I wonder, watch, let me see if we do this. What if we put the data in the wrong?
the wrong field.
Yeah, what if we should have put the other one in? Okay.
Let's see. Let's see. Be sure that the confidence data for the explanatory. Be sure to use the confidence data for the
I
explanatory
think that's what we
variable
did.
and the
We
score
put them in
data
the wrong.
for the response. So the score is the response, which is
Yeah, so that's what we did do is we put them in the wrong columns.
Because it says for
lame.
question 9 is 18.690.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that's what I'm getting when I move the data over.
Okay.
And then the slope is 12.695.
Yep.
And then the predicted value is 69.469.
Yep.
Oh man. And then number 12 would be 91.842.
Yep.
Oh man. And 13 and 14 are right?
I think so. Let me check. Yeah, they are.
Dang, sorry, Michael.
It's alright. I think a lot of people did that.
So eight was right though?
Yeah.
So it's just 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Yeah.
All right, so 9 is 18.690, is that right?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Slope 12.695.
Mm-hmm.
But I got 12 wrong.
11.
Oh, it says 94.859.
Yeah, why?
Oh. What the heck?
Was 11 69.469?
Yeah.
Then 12 91.842.
No, that one is 94.859.
Wait, where did you get 94.8? How'd you get that, Tyler?
I got 91.842.
That's what I got, and it's wrong.
I'll see how they would have got that.
My guess is that's wrong. And then 13 and 14 were correct?
Yeah.
Okay. The only thing that I could see, actually no, I can't see how it would be 94. I think it's got to be 91.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it either.
Oh well, it's still an A. Sorry, Michael. That sucks.
That's cool.
All right.
These actually don't look that much, so it's not too bad.
Yeah. I'm a little worried that Lauren's missed the last two. I might try giving him a call or something and see if he's on board with what to do for this weekend so that we can make sure we get it right.
Yeah, because he has a thing, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to email him that data too, huh?
Yeah, can you email it to all of us?
Yeah.
And then we can all kind of look at the calculations the same. I think we're going to have to change it from a chi-square to a goodness of fit test, but I have to watch his video to check and see how exactly we do that.
So how
Yeah.
do
We haven't talked about that?
What's that?
We haven't even learned about those, have we?
No, we haven't. And he was like, he posted a video about it though, because he said a lot of people are having issues with it.
Oh,
That might be something to do.
how could I email it to everyone?
You should have all of our email addresses, I think, just from Google.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
yeah. Type mine in though. So.
added mine too. It's just in the group chat section if you didn't see it yet, Bronk.
I just see it just says the only one is Tyler, and you said, "Are you coming tonight?" Lauren are still traveling.
Oh, that's look next to the video in that group chat.
It's weird that I can't pull it off your profile.
I know.
Wait, sorry, one sec. I'm on like Google Plus now. Next to the video.
Yeah, like right next
It's not
to.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay. I'll send that to you guys.
Cool.
But I wonder what Lauren's email is. Okay. Sounds good.
All right. See you guys.
See ya.
All right, thanks. See ya.
Yep.